I have a mold and I'm gonna make a jellyfish. I bought this mold and I'm gonna make a jellyfish out of it. It's like a regular bowl mold. And I'm gonna use some UV resin and I'm gonna just pour a bunch of it into a cup. We'll probably end up doing layers, but I'm making this for my niece's shower, her bridal shower. I'm gonna sprinkle in some blue glitter because that goes with the shower theme. Little glamour dust, a little bit of this chunky white. Okay, I'm gonna slowly mix it. It is pouring cats and dogs outside. Okay, make sure it's all dispersed. And then I'm gonna pour it into the mold. Probably I'm gonna have to do a couple of layers. I have my UV light that I'm gonna turn on. Then I'm gonna just move this stuff around for a while until it stops moving. All I really need is a thin layer everywhere. And I can squish it and do whatever to get it wherever I need it to go. So let that sit for a little bit. I'm gonna do a little more. I'm gonna even just do it right in here.
I kept doing layers until I had the entire mold filled, and then I let it just do a final cure so it was nice and hard.
Seems to have cured pretty well, so I'm gonna pull it out. There we go. I'm working on parchment paper and then I've got my UV resin. I'm just gonna make a line just like that. I put the light on it right away. Sprinkle just a little bit of the blue. Okay, I'm gonna carefully peel this off while it's still soft. Then I'm gonna kind of twist it. Then I'll let it stay under the light for a couple minutes more.
Then I made more using just the fine clear glitter, just so I'd have a bunch of the legs or tentacles, not just the blue ones, so I'd have a bit of a variety.
I have my bowl, which is going to be the top of the jellyfish. This stuff I'm going to finish yet, so don't worry about that. And I have some more of my UV resin, and I have all of my legs. So I'm going to start putting them on. I've got my UV light right here. I think I'm going to cluster them somehow or another. All right, let me do the blues in the middle, and then I'm going to do the whites on the outside. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Put some UV resin right in here, a big glop. And I'm gonna put these down in here. That one. I'm going to hold them. Put the UV light right on it.
I held the UV light on it for a while until they were securely attached.
So I'm going to just add pieces randomly in here. I'm taking a little more UV resin, and this is going to be to go on top. And I created a circle out of resin just on the parchment paper. It's clear, it's all good. I'm gonna throw just a little bit of the blue in here. That was a little bit more than I meant to do. Some white. And a couple flecks of this. I'm gonna stir it. Now, I'm gonna hold this off the edge of the table and kind of lean it on here for a minute. I don't know why these are that way. Okay. Got this, I've got this. Okay, I'm gonna pour this on. Might be more than I need. Might be perfect. I'm gonna turn the light on. Hold this hopefully as much in the middle as possible.
Oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. It looks perfect. It looked great at the bridal shower, and I just love the way it looks. And I'm thinking it might be fun if I could figure out a way to put some lights in it. If you like this project, be sure to check out some of my others. And remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. See you over there.